This is the instructional video on how to clean the condensing unit on your Montefresca food display cabinet. You will need the following tools: an air blower, medium bristle brush, and a screwdriver. First, switch the plug off and remove it completely from the socket. To remove the rear grid, depending on the model, either lift and unhook the grid or use the screwdriver to loosen the 4 fastening screws holding the back panel. First, use the brush to clean excess dirt and debris off the condensing unit. Make sure to brush in the same directions with the fins. Make sure not to damage or bend the fins in any way. Next, use the blower to blow out all dust from inside the coil. Make sure to go with the direction of the fins so not to cause any damage. On models with a built-in filter, remove the filter completely. Use the blower to blow all the dust off the filter and then replace it. Replace the grid when done. It is recommended that you clean the condensing unit at least once a month. For any queries, please contact Ventura's Catering Equipment at 011 453 8840.